Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Cusp of Interest. Alright, so I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max right here in midnight green, and I had this company called Pitaka or something like that. They reached out to me and they offered to send over their new mag case for me. And yeah, let's check it out. Alright, so checking out the packaging. It says it has genuine aramid fiber. It weighs 16 grams, super thin, and it is wireless charging friendly. Also, it says it has military grade material, so it keeps your phone protected while adding bulk, just like there's no case. There's metal plates, so it has like a mount to stick onto it for your car or whatever. I don't have that, but that would be cool to check out someday. Yeah, let's get the box open. Super nice packaging right here. Seamless technology experience, Pitaka. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. So we got a magnet seal right here. Wait, let's see what the back says. Nice. Open it up. Enjoy your Pitaka product. Alright, and there is the case. That's a cool looking case right there. And that is super thin. Look at that. Really stiff and sturdy though. So what else they got in here? They got seamless carrying experience. Okay. And then it seems we have some adhesive pads. So they didn't, I think when they made this case, they didn't know the exact dimensions of the phone. So they added these in here just in case it was a little bit too big. Alright, let's pop it on the phone. Alright, now it is on the phone. Got a little skin going on in the camera area. Seems we have exposed buttons right here. I mean, I guess it's so thin, it's not really, doesn't really affect it too much. Everything seems to work pretty well. Alright, so I've been using this case for a few days now, and I've really been enjoying it. Here's what I have to say though. After using it, it's really grippy, so you won't have any issues like dropping it or anything. It's a really stable case, but I think personally there's really no real good drop protection here. I mean, the edges, they don't really cover the screen, and so I don't ever like resting the phone face down because I don't want to scratch the screen or the screen protector. And I wish it did have a little bit of bumpers that just like cover the edges. I think that'll be a lot better. But overall, it's a really good, thin, super thin case. Everything works well, and I like it a lot. If you like that carbon fiber look, it's definitely one to go look at. Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.